Well, welcome to my shed of dreams, I should call it. More of a shithole really. Just painted this frame this morning, it's still curing. XT550 Yamaha. This frame is UK registered. I do have another one, I'll show you. Just took the cover off it. It's been stood for approximately 9 years. Did have it running a few years ago. Nothing fancy, just a quick test. Plan is take all the good parts off this, which is not road legal, and make a good one out of the two. So we've got a little ways to go yet, as you can see. This is my first video of this latest project. I will be tidying up. As you can see, there's rubbish all over the floor, but that's basically for the wood burner. It keeps me going through the winter, so free heat, can't beat it. Plenty of other spares kicking about, old GT750. Fair bit of that left. If anybody wants anything, send us a wire. I need to get rid of it, make some space. This XT, it's got an aftermarket Predator exhaust system on it. Paid quite a bit of money for that a few years back. Should be nice. It's up to the eyes at the minute, but it will clean up. Managed to source a tool bag at the back of the bike many moons ago. A guy in New Zealand made that. Nice job. So hopefully if you're interested, follow me through with this build. I'm no self-professed expert, but I'll give it a go. I like to do a decent job, I think, in my own mind. So any questions, please ask. I'll try my best to answer them all. Catch you later now.